is Willow taking a bath in the sun. And Deku keeps trying to take a drink out of it. Ooh! Getting Deku wet. Look at his ears.
Yeah, I see him.
Getting my camera wet.
Lap, lap.
Dang, she's going all out.
Yeah. Like a pretty bird. Ha. Ha.
Gesundheit.
Wow.
Jeez Louise.
Oh, she's done.
Gesundheit. Come here.
Now Dick is like, yes! Now I can have a drink!
Willow's like, hell no, I'm not done.
Shake your tail, fella.
Give Willow a kiss. Yeah, right. Nope, she's not done. You done, Willow? Come on. Nope, she ain't done. She's not wet enough. Take your bath.
Now she looks like a monster.
She looks like a monster?
Yes.
Aw, she's cute.
Dick.
Willow. She's like, hey, that's my bath. Keep drinking it all up. Now there's dog slobber in my bath water. A puppy and a parrot sharing water. Woo! Woo!
Mm.
Jeez!
Your camera's gonna get soaked.
There's already a drop on the lens.
Nice.
It's all blurry, like in one spot on my camera. Man, how much wetter can you get?
Not good enough.
She's really dunking herself in there. Jeez Louise. Now you're wet. Hey, Deku. No sense. Hi! Ah! Woohoo! Woohoo!
I'm getting a shower over
I know, we're all getting showers because of Willow flipping her feathers. Look at Willow!
Ew.
She looks so silly. She never gets to take baths in the sun like this. She's loving it. Look at Deku, he's like got sprinkles all over his fur.
It's pretty. Well, it just looks
Retarded.
Look at her face.
Willow! Hey! Aww. Deku, you wanna get some water now? She pooped. Don't eat that. Ah! Silly Deku.
He's like, I'm gonna take a drink before she comes back.
I think she's done.
Cough, cough. What the hell?
Did you, like, drink up one of Willow's feathers or something?
Ew. He just ate her food.
Oh my gosh. Deku! You sick puppy.
Yeah, take a drink.
Hey, Willow. This is my wet birdie. Aww. What a sweetie Petey. Oof. Alright, this video is getting kind of long, so say goodbye.
Bye bye.